Hello guys, this is Blackhawks Vision and welcome to the first preseason game of the LHL season. Today we have the Saskatoon Blizzard versus the Atlanta Thrashers. So now we have normal game time. We have normal game time, 6 minutes, 2 minutes each period. There are 3, and if it's tied after regulation, game goes to overtime. If it's tied after that, the game will be entered in as a tie, which ties are rare. Here, there's never been a tie. So let's do the opening show. It's not that dark in here at all. It's actually pretty light. And now, everybody, please direct your attention to the west end of the ice and welcome your 2018 Atlanta Thrashers. Starting at center, Evander King. That's left winger, I mean. Starting at right wing, Dustin Byfuglien. Starting at center, Patrice Cormier. And starting in goal, Steve Shields. So there you have it, your 2018 Atlanta Thrashers. Now let's welcome the Saskatoon Blizzard, starting at left wing, starting at left wing, Andrew Agazzino. Starting at right wing, Paul Thompson. Starting at center, Wade Megan. And starting in net, Matt Tompkins. That was the worst introduction ever. So here we go. I've got the card right here. By the way, Elijah, remember when you gave me your Storm Surge roster? It's 3-on-3, so you gotta have a center, a right winger, a left winger, and a goalie. So your defenseman will not be in the game. So here we go. Saskatoon, Atlanta. In the first game of the season, we are underway in Phillips Arena. The first shot of the game is from Byfuglien. That one went wide. This is going to be controlled in behind the net by Thompson, who gives it up to Agazzino. Agazzino back for Megan. Megan who shoots when it's off the post and into his own net. So the last Thrasher to touch the puck was Byfuglien. So Dustin Byfuglien is going to get credit for the goal. So Dustin Byfuglien gets the first goal of the game on an own goal by Wade Megan off the post and into his own. Face-off goes to Atlanta. That one went wide. This was back in ahead. Pass up to Megan. This one's back for Agazzino. The pass, nearly went in his own net. This can be controlled by Tompkins. Gives it up to Agazzino, who fires one wide. And this is back in for Byfuglien again. This is right back in for Cormier. And this passes up to Evander Kane, who shoots. That doesn't go in. A rebound try by Cormier doesn't go in. Now this is back for Tompkins. Matt Tompkins is going to nearly give it away. But this is Wade Megan controlling the shot off the post. I don't know. I think that went off the post. I'm not exactly sure. But if it's a goal, it's a no shutout for Atlanta. This is Agazino who shoots one. It's tipped, and they score! That time it's Paul Thompson. This time it's Paul Thompson. I'm no longer going to be writing the names because that's just going to make it take longer. So Paul Thompson ties the game at 1. So still no shutout in the LHL. It's going to take years to get a shutout. So let's see who gets it. And Megan wins a draw, gives it up to Thompson. Then a pass to Agazino, who shoots one. Tompkins is going to take control of it. And it's a giveaway to Dustin Bufflin, who shoots one that's not even close. This is back in for Agazino, who shoots it again. It didn't go in. Tompkins all the way from his own end. This is going to go right to Thompson, who shoots when he was looking for a second of the night. This is back across for Agazino. Pass up to Thompson. Up ice for Megan, who shoots one. It's easily stopped by Shields. Steve Shields is his first stop in the night. 10 seconds left in the period. Back across. Evander Kane shoots one. It doesn't go in. And this is right up for Agazino. Agazino shoots. It doesn't go in. One more try for Thompson. And the period comes to an end. And volume's all the way up. So, as the first period comes to an end, Bufflin and Thompson both have a goal. We'll be back. Hello everyone and welcome to period 2 of this game. So today we are going to get started here with period 2. That was a really bad opening. The teams are going to switch sides as I forgot to switch them myself. In between, at the intermission. So, Bufflin and Thompson both scored. It's a tie game. And now, here's the face-off. It goes to Saskatoon. Tompkins is going to give it up there to, oh my god, Paul Thompson, who shoots one off the post. Rebound. And Shields is going to make the stop. Agazino puts one wide. This one's back across for Bufflin. Bufflin, it's a pass off of Cormier, and this is a shot by Evander Kane that didn't go in. And another save there by Tompkins. The pass, oh, he missed him. And this will be taken in behind the net by Steve Shields. That one's given right to Paul Thompson. He didn't get it. And now that shot by Agazino, and he scores. And yes, that was Andrew Agazino scoring for Saskatoon. And he has put the Blizzard on top. So Agazino, acquired from the San Antonio Rampage, has scored here. So 2-1. Here's the face-off. It goes back. This will be taken. It's on the line still. And this is Evander Kane. Cross-ice pass to Bufflin. He shoots one. It's off the post. And it's out of play. So now, this will be a face-off in the Blizzard zone. Here's a face-off. It goes to Saskatoon. That shot by Agazino didn't go. This is a pass up to Bufflin. He shoots one. It doesn't go in. Here's another shot there. And it's Paul Thompson striking again. So it's Paul Thompson striking again. That's his second goal of the game. So it's 3-1 in favor of Saskatoon. Here's the draw. It goes back. Last minute of play in the period. So this is back across. Bufflin. Cross ice pass to Evander Kane. He scores. Evander Kane has scored on that. And he has made it a 3-2 game. Now the draw goes back. Evander Kane shooting, and it's another one. And the Thrashers have tied the game with 2 Evander Kane goals. Oh man, 2 Evander Kane goals in just in the span of a few seconds. Now the draw goes back. There's a shot by Megan that was stopped by Shields. This one's given away. right to Thompson, and he puts in another one, and Paul Thompson has a hat trick. What? What do you want this time? Oh, thanks. Fans in Atlanta don't like that. Thompson has 3 of the 4 goals for Saskatoon. Here's the draw. The shot by Megan goes in, and it's 5-3. This is the never-ending period of madness. Here's the draw. Face-off. It goes back. Thompson again. That one's easily stopped by Shields. Now he has to get back in position, and he makes a remarkable save as it flies out of play. 31 seconds. Atlanta gets a draw. This is Shields behind his net. Bufflin. Oh, and he flies it out of play. That's going to be a delay of game penalty against Atlanta. It'll last until 1:30. It'll last until 1:23 of the third. First power play of the season comes right now. 3-on-2. This is back across, and the shot by Megan. He scores. That was Wade Megan getting goal number 2 tonight. And now Bufflin does get to come back. Atlanta, very disappointed. Took the early lead, blew it. They haven't had a lead since early in the first. It's 6-3. Face-off goes to... Ooh! Off both posts and came out. No goal. Bufflin to shoot. Saving. That went out of play. I saw it. 10 seconds. That one, ooh, it's on the goal line and kept out. That comes off, and an extra second ran off the clock. It's like the never-ending period. 5.5 to go. The shot off the post. One more try for Thompson that went wide, and finally, the second period has come to an end. So, yeah. Saskatoon gets 5 goals in the period. Atlanta with only 3. We'll be right back. We are back for period 3, and I switched the teams before I forgot. So now let's get started. Period 2. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 goals total that period. The box score, 1 goal for each team in the first. And 5 goals for Saskatoon, 2 for Atlanta in the second. Atlanta needs 3 goals to tie this game, 4 to take the lead. Game is far from over, and the guy flew off sides right away. So yeah, Cormier flies offside right away. Face-off goes to Atlanta. The shot, they score! That time the shot was by Dustin Bufflin. He has his second of the night. He has his second of the afternoon. Not too far into the period. 1:55. This is back across, and whoa. And Thompson kind of gave it to Andrew Agazzino, the giveaway, and that shot is blocked there by Wade Megan. The shot came from Cormier, blocked by Megan. The shot is easily saved by Shields, and another easy save for Shields. Whiffs on the first shot there for Vander Kane. Bufflin looking for a hat trick, couldn't get it. You know, the pass up. And now this is Megan, couldn't get it. Now Cormier still doesn't have a goal tonight, and he deflected it. That looked like it deflected off of... So Megan shot it. Megan had the initial shot. And it looked like it deflected off of Megan. It looked like Agazino had the initial shot, and it looked like it deflected off of Megan and into the net. If so, it's a goal for Megan, and it's a hat trick. That's the second hat trick tonight. Now it's back to a 3-goal deficit. 7-4. Face off. Here's the shot off the post. Rebound wide again. Another try. They score. And Atlanta has the lead once again. They don't have a lead, but they have a goal. That time the goal is by Evander Kane. He has a hat trick. The hats come in. Cormier is still goalless. Cormier still doesn't have a goal yet. He's looking for one later. The shot, Cormier, he couldn't put it in. Pass right across. Agazino to shoot one, and he will fly offside. Now draw. Atlanta looks to win the draw. They do, and the time never started. Let's try that again. This time the draw goes to Atlanta, and a couple shots couldn't capitalize. We're nearing the last minute in this period. Last minute of play in regulation time. There's a giveaway to Bufflin. It didn't go in. Now the shot off the goalie and in for Saskatoon is 8-5. That time the shot came from Thompson. He's got 4 goals today. It's an absolute demolition. It's pretty much too late. This will be the 3rd straight year that the road team has won the first game. Atlanta gets another one. This time it's Dustin Bufflin with his 4th of the game, copying Paul Thompson. My commentating is probably very bad today. I'm just starting to I gotta try to get used to the new format with actual players instead of like center number 2 or goalie number 1. It's 8-6. Now the shot by Cormier nearly went in. Cormier looking for his first of the night, and there you go. Cormier has his first of the day, finally, for Atlanta. It was mainly Evander Kane and Dustin Bufflin scoring. Now Atlanta needs one more to tie this game. Let's see what happens. The draw goes to Atlanta. The shot wide. Rebound. It didn't go. The shot is stopped again. That shot is blocked by his own teammate. Going all the way down was Tompkins. Another save. And nearly into his own. Now just trying to clear a bad decision. There's the shot by Bufflin. Goes in. And they tie the game. Lots of goals this period. A lot of goals for Atlanta this period. It's a tied game up. The shot wide, and now another shot by Cormier is blocked. Now the shot is blocked. Rebound, another save there. Now Agazino waits, and he almost put in his own net. Tompkins, the pass over to Thompson. The shot doesn't go in. 10 seconds left. This shot by Cormier didn't go in. Thompson shoots one and he scores. Paul Thompson nets it with 4.1 seconds remaining. This looks like the comeback was all for nothing, as Paul Thompson nets probably the game winner. We'll see here. Atlanta needs a goal with 4 seconds left. The draw, the shot doesn't go in, and for the 3rd straight year, the away team has won the first game. 9-8 the final, an extreme good game. Atlanta had an opportunity, however they blew it. Their only lead was 1-0 at the beginning of the period. However, Paul Thompson nets the game-winning goal with 4.3 seconds left. And they win the game by a score of 9-8. And for the 2nd straight year, it's a 1-goal difference in the first game. The next game will be on Tuesday, the 27th, where it will be the San Francisco Beatrix and the Houston Rodeo at the Toyota Center. home of the Houston Rockets, and now the Houston Rodeo. So for the 3rd straight year, the away team has won the first game. So yeah, thank you all for watching this game of the LHL. There are still more to come. And I'm sure a lot of you are upset that once again the away team won the first game for the 3rd straight year. Bye, guys.